Good day, students and parents. Welcome to one of my science tutorial videos. In this specific video, we're going to be focusing on mathematics, and in mathematics, we're going to be focusing on a topic called the double angle identities and compound angle identities. Right, this is the grade 12 topic that I'm going to be focusing on, and on this topic, we're going to be proving trigonometric identities, we're going to be revising reduction formulas, and also we're gonna be doing trigonometric equations where you need to draw a Cartesian plane. Okay, so guys, please note that on the right hand of your side I have questions, and on my left hand side I'm gonna be demonstrating for you two answers. Right, so please stay tuned, and also please like and share my videos for more, and also subscribe. People, let's do number two. We're given that cos of 40 degrees is equals to what? It's equals to t. To determine without a calculator. Right, so what you need to do again is to draw a structure, because given that cos 40 degrees is equals to what? T. So I'm gonna use a free hand to draw a triangle structure. So the horizontal side is going to be perpendicular to the vertical, and then it's going to be what? We're going to name this 40 degrees. And then this is gonna be what? This is gonna be what? Cos. So it's gonna be t. So if it's gonna be cos 40 degrees, it's gonna be t. Then that means the hypotenuse is what? It's 1. And that means the opposite side, it's unknown. Alright. So we're gonna use Pythagoras theorem. So we're gonna use Pythagoras theorem to solve for the value of y. So it's gonna be r squared is equals to y squared plus x squared. So basically it's gonna be 1 squared is equals to t squared plus y squared. So it's gonna be 1. It's gonna be 1 is equals to t squared plus y squared. Then it's gonna be, then we make y the subject of the formula, so it's gonna be y squared, and then t is gonna jump the equal sign, so it's gonna be 1 minus t squared. And then what do? We square root both sides so that we can get the value of y. So y is equals to the square root of 1 minus t squared. So yeah, we got that, guys. So we got that. So now what you need to do is that we need to find what you need to check the questions now. So the first question say that a, it says cos of 140. So cos of 140 degrees. Right. So cos of 140 degrees is gonna be what? It's gonna be cos of what? Cos of 180 minus 40 degrees. Right, so this is the same as what? As negative cos of 40 degrees. So this is what? This is equals to what? So this is equals to minus t. Because why is it minus t? Because you know that cos 40 degrees is equals to t, as the question illustrates. Right, it's equals to t. Cos of 40 degrees is equals to t, as the question illustrates. And then number 2, which is b. Yeah, let's do number 2, which is b. Let's do number 2, which is b, is sine 40 degrees. So it's sine 40 degrees. Right. So if this is 90 degrees and this is 40 degrees, you know that the sums of angles, so you know that sum of angles in a triangle equals to what? Equals to 180. Right. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna say it's 90 plus 40 plus 40 degrees plus x is equals to 180. So this is 130 altogether, 130 degrees plus x is equals to 180 degrees, right? So x is equals to what? 180 minus 130, right? So x is equals to what? Is equals to 50 degrees. So this angle here, that is x is equals to what? 50 degrees. Yeah. So wouldn't it sine of 40, it's what? Sine of 40, what I've just did is not relevant to the question. Yes, so sine of 40 is gonna be what? It's gonna be square root, it's gonna be what? Sine of 40 is gonna be square root 1 minus t squared. Right. So number C says what? Number C says sine 50 degrees. So it says sine 50 degrees. So sine 50 degrees is going to be cos of what? It's going to be cos of 40 degrees. So it's going to be what? It's going to be t. So sine 50 degrees is equals to t, and then number d. And then number d, it's what? It's cos 80 degrees. So it's cos 80 degrees. It's going to be what? It's cos 80. It's going to be, let me see. So cos 80 degrees is gonna be what? Is gonna be cos what? 180 minus 50. Right, cos 180 minus 50. No. So cos 8, it's what? So cos 80 degrees, it's what? Let me think, guys. So cos 80 degrees, it's what? So cos 80 degrees, it's what? It's cos 240 degrees, right? So meaning that it's what? So it's gonna be 2. So it's gonna be 2. So it's there. So it's gonna be cos 40 plus 40, right? So it's gonna be cos squared 40 degrees what? Minus sine squared 40 degrees. All right. So cos squared 40 degrees is what? Cos 40 degrees is t squared minus, and then sine 40 degrees is what? It's square root 1 minus what? Minus t squared. And then you square this. Then it's gonna be what? It's gonna be t squared minus what? Minus 1 minus t squared, guys. So yeah, guys, this is not hard as long as you practice, because what's important in this maths problem is that it's for you to practice more and more. This type of questions will just come naturally to you. Be able to solve this question to this type of questions if you practice more, because what's more important is for you to practice, guys. What's more important for you to practice, to be able to understand this type of questions. You understand? So there's nothing that hard, to be honest. Really, there is nothing that hard. Alright, so this is our final answer to t squared minus 1. Right, so let's do number C. So number C says sine 50 number C. number E. So let's do number E. So question question number E says cos 810 what? Cos 860 degrees. Right, so we need to reduce this. So it's gonna be what? So it's gonna be cos so it's gonna be cos what? So it's gonna be cos 360 plus what? Plus 300 plus what? Plus 500. Which is what? Which is cos 500. Then cos 500 is gonna be what? It's gonna be cos 360, and then plus what? Plus 140. Right. So now it's gonna be cos 360 plus cos 140 is gonna be cos 140. Then we're gonna reduce cos 140 is gonna be what? Cos 180 minus what? Minus 40. So we're back again at what? At cos 40 degrees. So cos 40 degrees, it's what? It's T. So let's move right along. Let's move to number C, guys. Number is it D, E, F? Let's do number F. Let's do number F. It's cos minus 1160 degrees. So in this instance, what do? It's cos minus 1160 degrees. So what do? So the cos of a negative angle is cos of that angle. So it's gonna be cos 1160 degrees first. So and then we reduce this. So it's gonna be what? Cos 360 plus what? Cos 360 plus 900. Cos 360 plus 800. Right. Cos 360 plus 800 degrees. So 360 is gonna be 1100. Okay. And then when I reduce 800, it's gonna be what? It's gonna be cos 360 plus what? Cos 360 plus 440. Yes, plus 440. Was it 700? It's 760, 800. Right. So it's gonna be 440, and then we're gonna reduce 440 again. It's gonna be cos 440. It's gonna be 360 minus what? So 360 minus that to equal to 440. It's gonna be 360 plus. It's gonna be 360 plus what, guys? Let's think. It's gonna be 360 plus 80. Is it plus 8 plus 60? Now if it's gonna 60, it's gonna be 220. It's gonna be 420. So it's gonna be plus 80, guys. Plus 80, right? And then it's gonna be cos 80 degrees. 80 degrees, right? And you know cos 80 degrees is what? It's what? It's cos squared 40 degrees minus sine squared 40 degrees, which is equals to what? Which is equals to t squared minus what? It's t squared minus square root of 1 minus t squared, guys. This is just repeating itself. It's for you. It's simple that you understand it, guys. It's simple that you understand it. Hence, I'm saying that if you have any questions about this type of questions, or you may have any comments you don't understand, type in the link below so that I can be able to assist you. You understand? Type in the link below, comment, say no, I don't understand, and then I can be able to either answer you through comment, or else I can maybe post a video that is related to the topic, just explaining the content in the in-depth explanation, you see. But that needs to be a minimum a percentage of people that I say that they want the specific kind of videos, you understand. If you say no, you are struggling, even though the questions that I'm doing them very fast, or I'm not elaborating as efficiently as possible, you can comment down below, guys, because in the aim of these videos are to assist and to enlighten you guys on the topic of this content, you understand. So it's gonna be 2t squared minus 1, right? Yeah. So